guys, Tori Kaden, and I know I'm gonna do an announcement. Last night I didn't do the video because Tony did not come over. So basically, I got my friend here, but my friend actually not here. This is but then this is guys. I am not okay, guys. I'm going. Okay. Hey.
Hey.
Great, can we go outside?
Yeah, make sure it ain't cold out there.
Okay. I got my jacket on. Is it cold out there, sir? No?
No, it's not cold. It's raining. It's raining out here.
You mean go get a jacket then, Scott? Go get a jacket. Can we sit down in chairs?
Can we sit down in those chairs?
Yeah, y'all can sit down in the chair. Just don't go out there. Okay, see, I want to see.
Okay.
And really, why y'all got y'all new socks on?
Come on, Dad said just don't care about it. Last night just put some
Socks on.
new stuff.
Alright. Just stay right here, y'all, okay? Don't go out there. You can go get your bubbles if you got something in there, candy. They right there in the yard.
Okay, let go.
Guys, it's raining outside. I'm gonna show y'all this right now, that's one. Outside. Hello guys, I know I've set the camera down, but it is raining drip. Like, look at this, guys. Look. Look. Look, guys, see, I went to go get a jacket because it's raining. Look, y'all. Look at that. Yeah, yesterday, guys, I actually, like, threw it over there, guys. So, basically, now it's over there.
Yeah, but after throw it over here.
Scott, they can't get that ball because it's behind their truck, so they're not going to know where the ball's at.
Wait, what?
They're not going to know. Scott, look, I'm scared. Oh, snap. I hit my foot. Oh, that foot popped. Don't shout. Pop. Don't shout.
I guess someone else
Hey,
has.
pop.
They actually,
Don't shout.
actually,
Pop.
they bought
Pop.
in our yard.
Don't shout.
They did.
Pop. So go get some shoes, Scott.
Why?
Because I don't want to get our new socks wet. Look at that. They say it's raining drip out here, guys. What is it? Someone's in my hair. Yo, go watch our video that we made yesterday. Yo, it is. Means that are not kidding, guys. It is literally raining drip out here. This is not. Look, guys, literally, we are not playing.
This rock is wet.
Look, even the trampolines are wet.
Yeah.
And the sky is like that too.
I'm a flip fly.
No segment. Your mom said you can't get up there.
We got jacket on.
Scott, you may go get a hoodie.
But I don't have
Go get a new one.
a new
Yeah, like me, I got a new one.
one. After was not ready. Yeah.
What are y'all doing? What y'all making on?
Nothing. That's the ceiling.
Oh, okay.
Something's hidden.
Don't go out there, okay? While it's raining, okay? If y'all want to get y'all color books and come color or whatever, do that.
I don't got
But
colors.
see how y'all feet wet, y'all gonna get sick. So now y'all need to come take them socks off.
Okay.
Yeah, well, you should, because they hit me in the head with a golf ball.
Sorry, guys. We have to do it. Skylar, guess what? The new skin, Maple Donut skin, just came out today.
So I could go in there when my mama done baking.
You want to play picky when you get the thing?
After Delita, I had to get it back.
Yeah. And the cool thing is Skylar can play with me because she'll be playing with her mama phone. And guess what, guys? She know my name on Roblox, so she be able to do it.
Because
And
on my tablet, it didn't work.
yeah, guys, it was like scratching. She couldn't find me. So and her tablet don't even work.
Yeah.
So I guess now Skylar gonna be playing on her mom phone again now.
Yeah, because my mom.
Scott, that's fun now. Now you can play playing Roblox all day with me. It'll be fun, guys.
And I can play it all night.
Yeah. So basically, guys, me and Skylar, we were planning to like do something fun outside today. Okay. Me and Skylar was planning to do something fun today, guys, but we couldn't. So I really think y'all understand. But I may do the shout outs. Oh, shout outs. Subscribe. We got 8 subscribers today, guys. Skylar, today we got 8 subscribers. We got Prince Family, 1 again. Jesus Christ, Prince Family. We got, let's see, Kermit and Ammo. Good dog super cereal. And then next. Okay, that was the only 2 today. Okay. And we got SCTV guys today. So all those 3 people won. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. And we'll see y'all probably later and
Yeah.
at nighttime. Bye, you guys.